That's good. So I mentioned data for movies, right? And that is, in fact, that's here. So I can send this out. So if you're interested in this, and a few of you have talked to me about it, these are things that are just pre-baked, right? So we're not going to be scraping them. So you can see what's in there. There are titles and names of people, right? Actors and directors and all sorts of things. And then you get into, here it is. Yeah, gets down to a pretty, the TSV thing, I'm not really, tab separated, right? Yeah. And depends how you download it, but it's gzipped, and you may get an extra funny kind of tag on the end. You might have to clean that up, but just sitting there. So we can play around with that. All right, so they put this there to like, yeah.
They're going to do anything. But it's like basically all there. The big one, the principles data set, basically has like almost every single film, and then like crew, like the cameraman, who the cameraman was for a film.
Let's see.
Director, all the actors, including most of the extras that are credited.
So I've got a couple here. I've got name and titles. It's a good one to look at one of these.
Yeah, so that has like basically the IMDB like main page, and then those 4 titles are like the known for section. So they list like, I don't know.
Oh yeah, that they present, right? These are their major things.
Most,
Yeah.
I guess popular films that they've done.
But this is right. So Fred Astaire is really, that is his universal.
Yeah, that's his name constant.
It's not some scrambled through digits like one. He gets one. Okay, that's fair.
There's one that's chronological too.
So down, you write down. This is the end. It's going to get a little just not known for, right? But it's at close to 1 million, right? It's pretty delicious. So then you can see this is this is the title of the thing. What?
And then the third column is the actor.
So you have to go and look the other one up. Yep. And what they were doing, right? Yeah. But it doesn't tell you in this one what the name of the thing was, right? That's yet another one, right?
Yeah, so you have to go into like there's another file.
I only got a couple.
Basic where that has like all the code for the title.
So you just load it into Excel. It's a good question as to whether it's better to put it in like a MySQL database or to like just, right? I don't know what you computer science people think. Well, they're giving us a nice raw thing, like what would be better on our end to do. It's fun just to play with text files, I have to say, but